AI versus human artificial intelligence. It's no longer a futuristic fantasy. It's here now, changing the world around us. But what does the rise of AI mean for us, the humans?
Why we needed that many jobs,
Sure.
right? My view is that the jobs, actually every technology revolution people start to worry, right? Last 200 years we worry about the new technology going to take away all the jobs. Actually, we made a lot of jobs. Second, because of the industrial revolution, job created a lot of jobs. What I think in the next 20, 30 years, human being will live much longer. The life science technology is going to make people live probably 100, 120 years. That may not be a good thing because you get a grandfather's grandfather still working hard. But the challenge is, my question, why should we have a lot of jobs? I think people should work 3 days a week, 4 hours a day. When we have electricity, the power of electricity is that we make people more time. So you can go to the karaoke in the evening, you can go to dancing party in the evening. So people, because of electricity, people have more time. I think because of artificial intelligence, people will have more time enjoy being human beings.
Are we facing an inevitable takeover, or is there a way to coexist and even thrive in this new era? Let's be honest, AI has some serious superpowers. Imagine a doctor diagnosing diseases with incredible accuracy, thanks to AI analyzing millions of medical records. Or self-driving cars navigating complex traffic patterns, reducing accidents and congestion. AI excels at tasks that require immense processing power, speed, and consistency. It can analyze vast data sets, identify patterns humans might miss, and perform repetitive tasks with unwavering precision. AI can also personalize our experiences. From recommending movies we'll love to tailoring news feeds to our interests, AI algorithms are constantly learning and adapting to our preferences. Human uniqueness. We still hold some unique advantages. Creativity, empathy, and critical thinking are uniquely human traits. AI can mimic these qualities, but it struggles to truly understand and replicate the nuances of human emotion, the spark of original thought, and the ability to adapt to unforeseen circumstances. Sound of a lively brainstorming session. We possess the invaluable ability to connect with others on an emotional level, to build relationships, and to foster genuine understanding. These human-to-human interactions are essential for a thriving society. The key to navigating this AI revolution isn't about AI versus human, but about AI and human. We need to embrace collaboration. Imagine AI assisting researchers in developing life-saving drugs, or artists using AI tools to explore new creative frontiers. AI can augment our abilities, freeing us from mundane tasks and allowing us to focus on what truly matters.
So I think if we can effectively uh, um, merge with AI by improving that the neural link between your cortex and your digital extension of yourself, which already, like I said, already exists, just has a bandwidth issue, and then effectively you become an AI human symbiote, and if that then is widespread with anyone who wants it can have it, then we solve the control problem as well. We don't have to worry about some sort of evil dictator AI.
Innovation, creativity, and human connection. This requires a shift in our education system, focusing on developing skills that complement AI, such as critical thinking, problem-solving, and emotional intelligence. Of course, the rise of AI also presents significant ethical challenges. Issues like bias in AI algorithms, job displacement, and the potential for misuse of AI technology need to be addressed proactively. We need to ensure that AI is developed and deployed responsibly, with human values and well-being at the forefront.